warning!
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is
Flood
expected.
warning!
The areas affected include a portion of central Virginia, including the following county: Albemarle. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 3 a.m. Saturday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 8:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms.
Flood
Flooding is
warning!
ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pilgrim, http:/www.weather. Governor/safety flood turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles